Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will learn how to solve the quadratic equations by factorization. R square plus 6r minus 16 is equal to 0. The first step is we have to multiply the first term and the last term. Multiply the first term and the last term. We get minus 16r square. Now we have to write the factors of 16. 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. Now next, now which pair of factors will give me 6? This pair will give me 6. See, 2, I want 6. So what signs I have to give to them to get 6? We have to subtract them. So if I give minus for 2 and plus for 8, then I will get plus 6. This step is very important. Now we have to cross check. If I multiply these two, I should get this one. I am getting minus 2 into 8 is minus 16. It's okay. Now we have to split this term into two parts. See, r square minus 2r plus 8r minus 16 equal to 0. Among these two terms, r is a common factor. Take r outside. R into r is r square minus 2. R into minus 2, minus 2r. Now leave a gap here and write the whole thing again in the bracket. R minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I have to fill the gap so that when I multiply these two, I should get this. So I am filling it with 8 plus 8. So 8 into r, I got 8r. 8 into minus 2, minus 16. Now there are two terms here. Among these two terms, r minus 2 is common. I am taking the common factor outside. And what is left here? R plus 8. So I have got two factors, r minus 2, r plus 8. I will equate each factor to 0. R minus 2 is equal to 0. R plus 8 is equal to 0. If I solve for r will be equal to 2. Here r will be equal to minus 8. So this equation has got two roots, 2 and minus 8. c square plus 11c plus 10 is equal to 0. The first step is you have to multiply the first term and the last term. We get plus 10c square. Now we have to write the factors of 10. 1 tens are 10. 2 fives are 10. Among these two pairs of factors, which pair can give me 11? This pair can give me 11. So 1, I want 11, plus 11. So if I put plus 1, plus 10, plus 11. Now this term will be split into two parts. c square plus 1c plus c plus c plus 10c plus 10 equal to 0. This term has been split into two parts. 1c plus 10c, 11c. Among these two terms, c is common. c into c, c square. c into 1, c. Leave a gap here and write once again whatever is here in the bracket, c plus 1 equal to 0. Now I have to fill the gap so that when I multiply this into this, I will get this. So I am filling it with 10, because 10 into c, 10c, 10 into 1, 10. Now among the two terms, c plus 1 is common. c plus 1 is common. I am taking the common factor outside. So c plus 10 is left out, equal to 0. I got two factors, c plus 1 and c plus 10. Now I will equate each to 0. c plus 1 equal to 0. c plus 10 equal to 0. If I solve this equation, c will be equal to minus 1. When I solve it here, c will be equal to minus 10. So this equation has got two roots, minus 1 and minus 10. Two m square minus 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. The first step is multiply the first term and the last term. 2 3s are 6, so 6m square minus 6m square. The first step is multiply first term and the last term. Minus 6m square we got. Now we have to write the factors of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. So from this pair of factors I can get 5. Okay, but I want minus 5. So 2, I want minus 5. So what signs I have to give for here? Minus 2, minus 3, I will get minus 5. So this term will be split into two parts. 2m square minus 2m minus 3 So from this pair of factors I got 5. But when I cross check, when I multiply these two, am I getting that? No, I am not getting that, because I will get plus 6. So this pair is not going to serve the purpose. So I will take this pair. See, 1 6, I want minus 5. So I will give minus here. So I'll get minus 5. So when I check, when I multiply these two terms, am I getting this? Yes. So this pair will serve my purpose. So 2m square plus m minus 6m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, among these two terms, m is a common one. M, 2m, m into 2m, 2m square, plus 1. M into 1 is m. Leave a gap. Write the same thing in the brackets, 2m plus 1. Now I have to fill the gap such that when I multiply these two, I should get minus 6. So I am filling it with minus 3. So minus 3 into 2, minus 6m. Minus 3 into plus 1, minus 3. Now 2m plus 1 is common. Take it outside, 2m plus 1. So what is left here? M minus 3 is equal to 0. Now for this equation I have got two factors. I will equate each factor to 0. 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. M minus 3 is equal to 0. So when I solve here, 2m is equal to minus 1. M is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here m is equal to 3. So this equation has got two roots, minus 1 by 2 and 3. Till now in this class we have learned how to how to solve the quadratic equations by factorization. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.